in a world where astronauts live and work in space, where tasks aboard the International Space Station can be time-consuming and dangerous. Who will we turn to? NASA, in cooperation with General Motors, presents a Johnson Space Center production, the first robotic crew member in space, Robonaut 2. It travels to the space station this fall to give NASA a deeper understanding of human-robotic cooperation. Help is on the way. R2.
You've loved them on the space shuttle. You've thrilled with them aboard the International Space Station. Now they're back, teaming up to share dreams and maximize resources, building on the great adventures of the past. 3 new missions to Mars, including a sample return from its red and rocky surface. To learn whether our nearest planet could have ever supported life as we know it. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the European Space Agency. Together again, on the road to the Red Planet.
Jupiter, where weather is one continuous planetary supercade, and many of the gas giant's swirling secrets remain hidden beneath its cover of clouds. Until now. A new armored force will battle through Jupiter's supercharged radiation field and atmosphere to unlock new mysteries of our solar system. Juno, with its suite of sophisticated science instruments and majestic solar panels. Juno, with its protective radiation vault. Juno, ready to take on Jupiter to better understand how planets form and their role in the origin of our solar system. Juno, it's smart, it's armored, and it's ready. Juno, unraveling the history of our solar system and conquering the gas giant.
Opportunities are endless. What if you had the ultimate tool to kickstart your dreams? Introducing Global Domains International's $10 per month comprehensive digital package. The ultimate starter kit for your online venture. With your own .ws domain name, you get a unique and credible online identity. Stand out in the crowded digital landscape with a fresh, memorable address. Site Builder Plus offers you the power to create a stunning website effortlessly. Choose from over 100 professional templates, use the intuitive drag and drop editor, and enhance your site with free stock images and a dynamic photo gallery. With up to 10 personalized email accounts and easy access from anywhere, stay connected and professional with GDI's web email features. Take advantage of the world's leading blogging platform, WordPress, with GDI's enhanced hosting services. Enjoy 10 GB of storage for use on multiple blogs. Reaching your audience with ease. Share your online presence in one convenient place with clicks.ws, making it easy for your audience to find and follow you. For the experienced user, our basic hosting and URL forwarding services offer complete control and flexibility for your custom website. Ensure your website's security with free SSL certificates, boosting your credibility and search engine rankings while protecting your visitors. Join our global affiliate program and earn with our 5-layer compensation structure. Enjoy additional bonuses and rewards as you grow with GDI. Empower your entrepreneurial journey with Global Domains International. For just $10 a month, transform your ideas into reality with the ultimate starter kit.